Is that just a rosy?
Just a rosy.
Well, what? What? Hello, Mommy. Snake. Well, Mommy.
No, it's that.
What?
I know, I saw the snake.
What's that? Can I pick the snake?
Yeah, go
Yeah,
ahead.
gentle. Real soft.
I think your mom wants one.
He does it. He does
Oh,
it.
it feels scaly.
Well, yeah. It's because it has scales.
I know. I'm not gonna hold one.
You're not?
I just.
Look at that one.
You want me to hold one?
What?
No.
What?
You
What?
held one like 1,000 times.
No.
Well, what is that one? Go down. See this
Okay.
one?
You're going to take your jacket off?
No.
It's hot in here, huh?
Touch that one.
It's got to be warm for all the reptiles
Why?
because they're cold-blooded.
Oh.
They can't regulate their body temperature. So if their body temperature gets too low, they'll die. So it needs to be warm.
But what?
My other snake died, but it was me.
Mine died over this. See that one? See that one? So that one's so
It's long.
that one's so big.
Then I'm going to make one.
See?
We'll make one later.
What do you got, Gavin?
A snake?
What is that?
I don't know.
What kind?
This mine. Bound. That
Is that a rosy boa? Can you say rosy boa?
Rosy boa?
Yep.
No, that's not a rosy boa. It's bound Nate.
It's what?
A bound Nate.
A
A
what?
bound. A bound Nate.
Brown snake?
A brown snake?
It's like a brown snake.
I have a brown snake.
Well, I think because
Eat
of
a
this
camera.
Yeah.
Eat a
See?
camera.
It wants to be on camera too.
Hello.
Zachary, Jesus.
It's right at my finger. I will move.
How does it feel?
It feels pretty good.
feels scaly.
Is it slimy? Or is it just smooth?
It's just smooth.
Yeah, it's not slimy like a snail, huh?
Yeah.
Only
Snails.
snails are
You,
slimy.
yeah, he likes picking up slugs. I don't like touching slugs.
I don't like
Hello.
Someone ate
Hello.
I know.
You got to do it slow, slow. There you go.
A different one. No. That one's.
So when he starts doing that, just put your hand up under his neck. There you go. Just keep supporting him.
That one makes
So if he
that one
goes further out away from your hand,
that one.
what? Just let him curl around it. Let him curl around it.
So that one bites.
He's doing that because he's trying to get comfortable and feel like he's not going to
That
fall.
one bites. That one
So put your
bites,
hand
that
all
one
under.
bites.
There you go.
There you go. Oh, now he's growing.
All right, what kind is this?
This is a
Or what morph? Gene morph.
This is a jungle abesque
Ooh.
boa.
Parker, can you go on this side of him and support its head?
Back up.
Okay, just hold your
hand out.
hand out and then it'll come over onto you. There you go.
It's shedding
There.
its skin.
Yeah, it is.
Just don't grip it tight.
Don't
Just
grip
let
it
come.
tight.
Zachary, I need
Just yeah, just like I'm holding your, just like that. Let him do his thing.
There you go.
Ah.
It's all right. It's
Oh.
all right. It's all right.
Alliteration.
Brody, hold the tail more, please.
Here. Gentle. Nice and easy. There you go.
And those snakes.
Hmm?
I used to smell like that one. Because when I'm gently holding it,
Oh, hold it. Get your hand under it. There you go.
my
Oh, that's that one.
Yeah,
Oh, that's this one.
it's okay.
Well, what? What?
What?
What?
What? No.
He doesn't like mine.
No, well, yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't put your fingers in front of his face.
All right.